Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PS4 error code if the update has failed. So what you can do is just go to Power and then go to Turn Off PS4 right here. And then we're going to launch this into the Safe Mode menu where we can apply a fresh update. So if the update failed, we can just go ahead and download it from the internet again. And we're going to need our controller plugged in to the PlayStation with a USB cable. So go ahead and get one now. It's just a micro USB cable. And then wait for your PS4 to turn off. And make sure it's completely turned off. There's no light blinking on it or anything like that. And then hold down the power button. So we're going to hear a beep initially. And then we're going to hear another beep like maybe 10 seconds later. And then we can press the PlayStation button on the controller and we can operate the save mode menu. So let's just go up to the top now. And then press the PlayStation button. Going down to Update System Software, Update Using Internet, and select this. It says please wait. Just wait for the update to appear, and then we can just apply a fresh update, and then go to next. So it's downloading from the internet. It looks like it's got 504 megabytes. So yeah, so just make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive to apply this update. You only need like 1 or 2 gigabytes, so it should be downloading right away. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.